This is the KNEX Firestorm Freefall coaster released in 2013. The kit contains 674 pieces and is for children 9 years and up. The instruction manual for this roller coaster comes in the box. Also, there is an alternative web version available. The instructions in PDF format are available for download at the KNEX website, and I have included both links in the text box below. I was having trouble with this roller coaster when I finished it. The car would get stuck at the top, would not go over the hill. I found some documentation on the KNEX website. It states, if the coaster car is getting stuck at the top of the hill, before it drops off, the purple connector can be disconnected. This is the purple connector, and that's the rod that it was connected to. It was normally up here. I've disconnected it and it lowers it just enough that it goes over the lip and is consistent. If that's connected, I was having trouble with the roller coaster car stopping on the top there and not going over the top. I've also found another way to get around the car sticking at the top. I had an extra link in the package and I added it to the chain here just to make it a little bit longer, and I moved the chain from where it normally would come out, which was this area, and I moved it back into this area. I reconnected the yellow and purple connector, so everything is stuck there, but just moved it back one here and added one link there. And I was able to do that because the kit came with an extra link, and everything seems to work fine.